whatsoever. And that, unfortunately, is that, yeah, I have reached a point now, Chairman, where I have to go.
No, Chair, he's not going to leave. He's not going to leave. She's going to ask your questions. He's not going to leave. If he leaves here, he's walking out. He's not going to leave until you release him. He's walking out of Parliament.
Yes.
Chair, he cannot be allowed. He's doing the same thing with Patoy. You can't leave here. We are appearing before us.
Unfortunately, I made it
We don't
clear.
care about your flight.
Thank you.
You're not being released here. You must be arrested. We'll open a case now.
Pardon?
We'll open a case now. This man must not be allowed to go out of this country.
I did not come here on a summons. I came here of my own free will, and I'm leaving of my own free will.
I think he can go.
Mr. O'Sullivan.
The question that I had for him is,
Mr. O'Sullivan.
he wanted, no, Chair, it's fine.
Mr. O'Sullivan.
I told him. It's fine. Chair, it's fine. Chair, it's, I think we've dealt with the question.
He can't leave. Righteousness. Yes.
I was about to say he
We are
can
dealing
go.
with criminals. Patoy did this. He's abroad now.
Yeah, he did. He doesn't want to. He also told me to go.
Honorable Nompan.
No, Chair, I'm saying heroes don't walk alone. Honorable Sauls forgot to escort his hero. You must escort him to the airport.
Have that microphone switched off.
Sorry, Chair, I have to. You see, when people disregard scripture, I will not do the same. When we look at the evidence, that it is done and the sacrifice is made was heroic, and it's my opinion. I will maintain. But he has holes. He's not perfect, just like all of us here are not. So I maintain, and I will not retract. Thank you.
Were you done, Advocate Mukhima?
So how do we move from here?
Were you done? Yes. Were you done?
I had not completed the questions, Chair.
Mr. Techano, you have observed what happened here. So will we get an advice on how this matter is taken forward?
Can we consult on that, Chair, and get back to you?
That's exactly what we are saying.
Bafowethu waze wayidelela iSouth Africa uPaul O'Sullivan waze walidelela izwe lethu uPaul O'Sullivan waze waplaza uPaul O'Sullivan waze wasichwenza uPaul O'Sullivan kahle lento ayenzile phela uma usukudelela eParliament usukudelela isizwe nabantu abakhele kusona delelile lo mlungu bafowethu udelelile uPaul O'Sullivan ukukhombisa nje ukuthi akakaze aze ayithande eSouth Africa futhi akakaze azabahlonipha abantu baseSouth Africa. So isenzo sakhe asibanga sihle nje asithandeki asincomeki siwukubola siwukuchwenza. Ukube umuntu omnyama ungabe iDA ehamba izolo yawuvula icala khona izolo. Ukube umuntu omnyama ungabe iDA neAfriForum bahambe khona izolo bayovula icala. Manje ngoba umuntu webala akwenzakelile lokho. Udelela isizwe sasemzansi uPaul O'Sullivan enakwenzeka lutho kusakhulunywa hayi we will open a case. You will open ulindeni manje. You will open a case ulindeni manje. Because immediately enza le nto leya bekufuneka kuvulwe icala immediately, bekufuneka lo eqambe efika nje e-airport eGoli seziyamkhalela. We needed an immediate action from yesterday. Telelile le nto le yenziwe uPaul O'Sullivan ayenziwa. Unless kudelelwa abantu base South Africa. Ngoba le nto iyukudelela abahlali base South Africa bonke. Yabona le nto le urubbish udoti nendlela bekhuluma ngayo awukwazi ukukhuluma ama vulgar language uma use parliament. Awukwazi, you can't do that. Ukuthi mawukhuluma kuthiwa wena wenza ukuthi that's rubbish in parliament. You cannot do that. Edelela bafowethu uPaul O'Sullivan bahlali asithatheni lento very serious ngoba ithina manje bahlali kufuneke sisukumele lezi zinto uma kuukuthi akwenzeki kufanele sithathe serious lento udelelile lo mlungu bafowethu udelelile lo mpandla enikade ngasho just because ubuzwa abantu imibuzo abengafuni ukuthi bambuze therefore kufanele ukuthi achwenze ngalendlela adelele ngalendlela hey uyabona nje upetulile umoya wami izolo ulala umoya wami uphetuke kabi upetulile lo muntu umoya wami izolo uphetuke kabi ngipetule uPaul O'Sullivan mina into engenanhlonipho nje bafowethu angifuni eduze kwami into engenanhlonipho angiyiceli nje eduze kwami angifuni ukuyisondelisela nayo angifuni nje yabo ngisho abantu abayebengene la bebhante engayizwa ngiyablock angifuni ukuresponda entweni engenanhlonipho because ngisuke sengisubmita kwi-level yalo muntu ongahloniphi uma kanje ngaqala kwafuneke ngiphendule kumuntu ongahloniphi sengiyahla manje sengiya down kwi-level yakho wena ongahloniphi sekufuneke ngiresponde kwi-comment yakho yokubuhlaza yokuthi awufundiswanga kini inhlonipho ngisho no I don't do that mina ngiyaphenye lapha umcibisholo uvele gqiya vele ublock block straight away. So lo muntu oqala inganza akayiseke eSouth Africa kade zahamba udela ngoba useyazi uvese usiyabaleka yabo ongenzeka izolo bethatha international bese hamba and then ke state kufuneka sifreeze onke ama property akhe yonke into esegamela lakhe kufuneka ifreeze because lo muntu nokuthi abe nelungelo lokuba umhlali eSouth Africa kwakunobuqophololo vese uPaul O'Sullivan telelile uPaul O'Sullivan telelile. So EFF MK hambani ovula icala nilindeni why nizoze nilinde uThoko Didiza so ke uThoko Didiza ushutsheni ubengaboni manje ufuna ukuthola ireport ubengaboni akaboni kuma news ukuthi uwenzakaleni that thing is public Thoko Didiza it is public Thoko Didiza it is public internationally umhlaba wonke ubonile what a report are you looking for Thoko Didiza arrest this thing Loli silindo uspeaker one Spedela la nina act and arrest.
Paul O'Sullivan walked out of the ad hoc committee yesterday and parliamentarians just watched him walk. They tried to speak to him. He was like, I came here of my free will. I'm leaving of my free will. Julius Malema very correctly articulated that this is white privilege. Because none of us don't know what to do, including you, Chair. Black inferiority complex, Sababelung. Your black political leaders, luckily through Julius Malema and his honesty, are confirming what we already know. Your leaders were Sababelung. Your leaders are controlled by Abelung. And your leaders don't know what to do when Abelung get up to shit. Abu Msholozi got arrested for not appearing. After initially appearing. Paul O'Sullivan, out of Delela kwakhe, left having to appear. Then because he felt like it, came back. And now because he feels like it again, just walked out during questioning. That's what we're dealing with in South Africa. And again, I need to emphasize this until you guys get it. South Africa is a company. It is a British and American company where the government is an executive board that serves the shareholders, being the elite in Britain and the elite in America, along with some other rich people that they serve as the shareholders. You guys as the citizens, you are just voting fodder. You're just zombies. The reason they need you guys to vote for them is because they need to prove to the rich that I'm your guy. I'm your influencer. I'm your influencer, and If you need me to go and influence these people to accept whatever policies you guys want, then let me prove that these guys follow me. And then after that, you guys are going to have to allow us to give them something in return, because that's what I sort of promised them. And I don't have to give them everything, but let me give them a few things so that I remain credible as an influencer. Your politicians are not here to serve you. And your black politicians especially are definitely not here to serve you blacks. You blacks, you're a sortas. Politicians are not going to fucking do shit for you. They don't serve you. They serve the rich. Paul O'Sullivan, what a fucking panzula. Yeah, ne?
The EFF has written to the Speaker of Parliament, Thoko Didiza, asking her to lay a charge of contempt against forensic investigator Paul O'Sullivan. The party will also be laying criminal charges against him at the Cape Town Central Police Station on Friday. O'Sullivan returned to Parliament to conclude his testimony before the ad hoc committee that's probing allegations of criminal infiltration and corruption within the justice system. While he's accused of having had undue influence at IPID, he's accusing others, including higher-ups within SAPS, of corruption, one of them being the KZN Provincial Commissioner Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Proceedings got quite tense between O'Sullivan and some of the MPs, particularly EFF leader Julius Malema and the MK Party's David Skhosana. They were calling him a spy, which he took exception to. He ended up having to leave, much to the dismay of some of the committee members. Julius Malema says, you can't just leave, you have to be released. If you leave now, we're going to consider it a walkout. David Skhosana is like, yeah, you're not going anywhere. You need to be arrested. Well, O'Sullivan's not fazed by any of this. He ends up leaving, and what would later happen was like something out of a Love and Hip Hop reunion. So he proceeds to walk out, and as he's walking out of the building, he's talking to journalists who all have their mics up to his face, asking all kinds of questions. And next thing, he's out of the building, and as he's about to get into his car, David Skhosana from the MK Party appears from nowhere, and another intense exchange starts, and they're calling each other names. It was wild. Happy Friday.
Guys, now I talk committers and the comments. I can say, Paul, yes, kis deleli utlile utelej, and we know Rutufika. Paul, you can ugamo prophet ugamo paka. Royal Gam Hormotsanga Paul Sullivan watelel. And the member jarna they know or Paul watelel and Paul Tufka abatel na nexare and first time babile very emotional Paul. You have Kalmolorang Arikri what introduce and degree out of Paul Sullivan. Paul into we de intentional. Paul is spy. What's about Motumu Horveri like I ring? Amutwenye Ashalena Ali on the right side, we're not all on the right side, wrong side of the law. So, but the honorable members, the emotional, Bonang, Bamicha, Bos Kwasana, Ubizu, Umicha, you're a liar, you are a thug, you are a what, you are a thief. I get loud Bamla, what Lena, almost South Africa, Uja, Motwasin Guy Chaji, Loka Juma, Burishagan, Ogasileko Burishagan, one Ango Madanga Commission, but Dilalis Kevin was as always be, Mara because they know or severe such I charge you, and Abamu Yaka Moba or Abamukra on Amolo, what Ubamulatala in Bongwin. But Dilalis be so. Zibia o try by all means or aba provoke. Hey, if calmness is a person, Kimadlanga Commission. But Vale emotionally intelligent. Zibia o try le ranchikwale or alekor. Oh ya la khatul. Hey, naka gatalelo. Immediately toma drama yo. Bare joang, re lukishe joang. Arenya ke gore o file. Question mara Otamadi Arabil. Last attempt to relay Celine Dion, honorable advocate Hasimiki Monogaro Ella Mukwanas. One monor you go to Chateau Itoi, Bamulakela Zilin. Calmly so. So but Baba Eto commit when you bojar one of Honu dealer Paul O'Sullivan, Bamutsenche line without Lishatale Lavelle Mudiala Lord. Arvenfe. Skhosana wa mraseja Paul O'Sullivan. Oh well, even not just Skhosana. But Malika Wabala Mtola Kalishatelin and Uli Lemril. Oh, one step ahead. Shech Abats, Melidi Lota at the prepare Lora, Gabatsabor, Kadia. So, ha. So, let's again. Now I'm disappointed. Behavior, especially Libilo Lala, Skhosana Lila, Akelinia, Kilibilo La Ingi, Asma Tomor, whenever to walk out, Zuma or killer out of Barke, Zondo Commission. Lately, no. Umusadisho wa NPA uwe kile out liboni dilwara tshela di mkitimish liboni bu zondo ba kitimisha Zuma no and a senke go tlhage move o re o bone maabane mara ba ditse le zuma ebile o kry-ile le ka toronko same as o tlo mosadi wa NPA ba busy ka yena so lebelo le la Skhosana be le ne le bo strata ka kra a bile a tswile le ka parlamenteng ba goelelana le Paul le ena ntšhitše bo strata Paul le ena o ghetto ke mohumo mongwe o mogetho wa strata ka kra ba goelelana ya ka sa mpotša selo wena ebile kgomela one le dikoloto guys a re nyako kwa dikoloto tša mang Paul a re nyake re kwa a le botša ka dikoloto tša lena re nyaka Paul a tla rabele dilo tše go patelwang mo le gore le dule le mmotšiše Paul o raloka ka menagano ya bona ene ba fall into his trap wa bona le ela gore a announce before a fitla gore ka one ke a tsamaya that was ntole o idile intentional because na a tseba gore ge nako e fitla tlo palela ke lo tša gage ore ke le boditše ne o le boditše so go dile le motho o tshwana le Paul Sullivan santse o be one step ahead already o tlile kwa ba mo advice tše dilwana tša gare o fitlha ko o ba prekela ba botse gore o ne le flight and then flight ya gago e tlo tsamaya because o tlile kwa voluntarily šetse ba mo briefile gore go o e dirile so le ge ba ka performa anyhow you're on the right side of the law so le bone ne santse ba re ba kwa performance la I announce gore go performa so ba direng ba boele ka mokgwa ba e dilelone maybe ba motse gore papa go ka se kgonege rather re reschedule or ba mmontšhe gore a re tlo bereka on that ba dumele ge nako e fitlha player that card ba thoma ba kitimišana lena the way latsa molane if ne re sena batho parlamente lene e sa tšhere ke lekganyane ne be go fofa ditafola be go fofa ditilo because you know gore le ko di-political parties tša mo South Africa go fofa ditafola guys le 5 to le go tlo fošana ka ditafola ka mo it's either you dissolve the whole thing cause la palelwa.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Bakawate baganele nwabo bantu base South Africa ngemva kokuthi uPaul vela storme out of iparliament okusakhulunywa naye lapha thena ujahi flight babathe yo no you can't leave, we are not done, athi ngifikele mina lana and ngitotihambela angeke ngizwe ngani qabanga so people are saying ukuthi disrespectile sima South Africans ukhombise kudzilela lokukhulu kabi lo yamlungu people are really fuming, people are angry, people are saying ukuthi akaboshwe because why kubalekiswa yini avela suke nje ahambe kusakaqedzi kukhulunywa naye wake wabona bana vele aphuma nje ahamba enkantolo ngakaqedzi babangaqedzi kumphenya so people are really fuming ukuthi hayibo akabe behind bars. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Goodbye.